Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Exmo to Gemini in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers between exchanges. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just move funds for trading, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Gemini, and that you have some Tether in your Exmo wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct blockchain network, like Tron or Ethereum, as this can affect fees and speed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your Tether balance. You'll see an option for withdrawal. Click that. Now, before you proceed, you need the receiving address from Gemini. So, open a new tab and log into your Gemini account. Go to your wallet, find Tether, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's for the same network you plan to use. Back in Exmo, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Remember to leave room for any transaction fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Review everything carefully. This is your money, so double-check for typos. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're on Ethereum. When it arrives in Gemini, check your wallet there to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to avoid any costly mistakes. In 2025, with evolving regulations, ensure both platforms are compliant in your region. That's it for the steps. You've now successfully transferred Tether from Exmo to Gemini. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.